amazing friends. I hope y'all are doing super well today. My name is Mackenzie and I'm so happy that you're here. So today's video is going to be all about my January favorites, and I know I skipped December. I actually meant to do a December video, but it just didn't end up happening. Life got crazy, but that's okay because today we're going to be doing January, and that also means I have extra favorites for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I hope 2018 has started great for all of you. It has been an interesting time for me, but I am so excited for February. I think February is going to be absolutely amazing. So I want to start off my favorites by first talking about my new place. So as you guys can see, this is like my new background and I absolutely love it. I will be giving you guys a room tour a little bit later on, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, but I absolutely love my new place. It is so special and so wonderful. So that is my first favorite of this month. So let's go ahead and talk about the books that I've been really loving this month. And so my first book that I really want to talk about is Brené Brown, and I absolutely love her. And she got this new book called Braving the Wilderness. And this book is all about belonging. So she talks a lot about how she never felt like she really belonged and how do you feel belonging. And she gives a lot of really great advice and interesting insight on how to feel like you belong in the world. Correct me if I'm wrong. She said that we belong nowhere, which means we belong everywhere, which I thought was so profound and so amazing. And it made me feel so good because in life, things come and go, and sometimes you feel like you don't belong, and I've been feeling like that recently. So listening to Brené Brown's words made me feel so much better. So if you haven't already checked out Braving the Wilderness, definitely do so. It is an amazing, amazing book. Okay, so my next two books that I want to talk about are physical books. The first one is called Reinventing Your Life, and actually my mother told me about this, and she said she started to read it, and then this book, I don't know, it was in like my room that left over from the person that used to live before me. She like left this book in my place that I'm staying at, took it as a sign that I had to read this book, and it is amazing. It talks all about our life traps. So the things from our childhood that make us behave the way that we do. And so I've been working through this book, identifying what my life traps are and working through them. It's amazing if you're looking for a transformational book that kind of gives it to you straight and also helps you kind of look at your past traumas and life experiences and move forward with them. So I absolutely love this book. Okay, so the next book I picked up was actually in a bookstore just maybe like a block away from me, and I was really happy they had some English books. But this book is called How to Solve Our Human Problems, and it's really short. So actually I've been going through it pretty fast. I have like a dog-eared so far, but I just love it. I had to put it in my favorites. It's by this guy. He's a monk, Geshe Kelsang Gyatso? I don't know, but he is a Buddhist monk, and he explains our human problems and talks about the Four Noble Truths and how to solve our problems. And he talks a lot about how us as individuals can make a difference by solving our own problems and then forwarding them onto the greater humanity. So love this book. Seriously, so far been a really amazing read. So definitely check this book out. Okay, so my next thing are a couple of things I got in December right before Christmas. I got them at some Christmas market. The first thing that I absolutely love is my hat. So I got this hat, yes, at a Christmas market, and it's so cute. It's so fuzzy. All of my friends here always make fun of me because they said they can like see my hat from like a mile away. So yeah, I absolutely love it, and it's so warm. Like literally, you guys, this hat is so warm, so cozy. I love it. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Like I absolutely love this hat so much. And the next thing is also my scarf. So this scarf is in my absolute favorite color, maroon. I have so many things in maroon, and it's also super warm, super cozy. And sometimes like if I'm cold, like I'm sitting at a coffee shop and I'm cold, then I can just put it over my shoulders and wrap all nice and warm in it. I absolutely love this scarf so much. So this is also a great purchase as well. Okay, so my next thing is a room spray. So this room spray was actually given to me by my Airbnb host in my last place. But basically it's just a room spray, but it smells so incredible. The smell is honey and spice, and it's by this company, Collins de Provence. You guys, this smells like warm spices and cookies and everything, just amazing. Like I love this room spray so much, and I'm always spraying my bed sheets with it. It's so good. And so if you guys want to check out this company, they're really awesome. And yeah, but this was just a gift for my host just for Christmas. So yeah, I love it so much. Okay, so my next thing were two gifts. One was this absolutely gorgeous pendulum given to me by Cheryl, Nonstop Paris on YouTube. I'm sure you guys have heard of her, but she got this to me for my Secret Santa, and I love it so much. I've been meditating with her and putting her part of my crystal family, and she's fitting right in very well. So I've been absolutely loving my pendulum. And also another thing that Cheryl got me were these packing cubes. So I can show you guys, I have some stuff in here because I've just been storing it. But basically she got me a whole set of these amazing packing cubes that have literally changed my life. Like I had to move, right? To move to my new place from my old place. And I packed everything in my packing cubes and it looked so nice and it was all organized and made unpacking so easy. So thank you so much, Cheryl. Like these have been a real lifesaver. Okay, so my next thing that I really want to talk about is a couple of apps. So as you guys know, I am a digital marketing freelancer, and one of my main clients, he has me using this app called Toggl, and I have become so reliant on this app. It's crazy. You can also get it on your phone or on your laptop, but this is basically a time tracker app, and you can go in and put all your projects and stuff. And literally, you guys, there isn't anything bad about that I can say about this app because it's so good at tracking your time as a freelancer and keeping track of projects also. So it's not just that, it's a bunch of things. So I absolutely love that it can keep track of my projects and also keep track of my time. And it also sometimes like I forget to like turn it off and it'll like remind me like, hey, like did you actually like mean to leave it running or whatever. I absolutely love that app so much. So if you guys are a freelancer, check out Toggl. It's a really great resource for tracking your time. So my next thing that I really want to talk to you guys about is my favorite nail polish ever. So as you guys know, I'm really good friends with Kia, and she started this company, Charlotta, and she has these vegan nail polishes, and she gave me these two colors that are just perfect. They're, yeah, like I said, I have everything like this kind of dark burgundy maroon rusty color, and so she was like, these are perfect for you, Mac. She gave these to me and I absolutely love them. I've been wearing them a lot. Right now I don't have it on my nails just because I've been giving my nails a break because I've been like wearing nail polish for the last like 2 months. So I've just been letting them rest a little bit, but I am definitely looking forward to putting these back on my nails. They're so beautiful. It's great quality, and the company is vegan. She's all about sustainability, and she has some really exciting things going on in her business. So definitely go and check out Kia Charlotta. She also makes videos here on YouTube. I'll link Kia down below. Okay, everybody, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Before you forget, please go and subscribe to me below. You know how your day's going today. I really want to know. You guys have been so amazing. I say it in every video, you guys are awesome. But yeah, let me know how your day's going, what's been going on. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Love you all. Bye.